Ready to turn your pruning game from arm workout to effortless? Electric pruners are here to save your strength and time. Whether you're trimming back unruly bushes or shaping up your garden, these powerful gadgets slice through branches with ease. No more sore wrists or dodgy cuts, just smooth, precise snips. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Stick around, because we're about to break down the best electric pruners that'll have your garden looking sharp without breaking a sweat. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more detail and information, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Pruning Shears. Cutting branches has never been smoother. With the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max pruning shears, you can tackle garden work effortlessly. This tool gives you a 1-inch cut capacity, slicing through both wet and dry wood without hesitation. The cordless design and 1.5 amp-hour battery deliver up to 900 cuts per charge, meaning you'll spend less time recharging and more time pruning. What's even better? You'll make a cut per second, minimizing any downtime between tasks. Unlike many pruners, this model offers 10 times less effort than manual options, which saves your hands from strain. Tool-free blade changes are a major win too, making upkeep quick and easy so you can stay focused on your yard. Compared to other models, its power and precision give you more control when trimming tricky areas. I love how smooth each cut feels, with no sticking or jamming in thicker branches. From simple maintenance to tackling tougher growth, it makes every job easier. Number 4. Worx NITRO Pruning Shear. The Worx 20-volt NITRO Pruning Shear packs impressive power into a compact design. Weighing only 2.38 pounds with the battery attached, it's easy to maneuver and use for extended periods without fatigue. Cutting through branches up to 1 inch in diameter is effortless, thanks to the brushless motor, which offers 25% more power and longer life than brushed motors. Compared to other pruners, its titanium-coated blade reduces friction, making cuts smoother and preventing rust buildup over time. Unlike manual loppers, you can operate this tool with one hand, making pruning faster and easier. The ergonomic soft grip adds comfort during longer jobs, a key advantage over heavier, bulkier models. For anyone looking for a versatile, powerful tool for smaller garden tasks, this pruning shear excels in both performance and convenience. It's the perfect balance of efficiency and ease. Number 3. Dragro Electric Pruning Shears, our best budget pick. Pruning just got a whole lot easier with the Dragro Electric Pruning Shears. These cordless shears offer impressive cutting power, handling branches up to 1.2 inches with ease. Compared to similar models, the 600-watt motor stands out, providing more consistent performance when trimming thicker stems. The dual 21-volt lithium batteries deliver 3 to 4 hours of continuous use, allowing you to tackle extensive jobs without interruption. Charging is quick too, only taking 1.5 hours to reach full capacity. This ensures you're back to work faster than many competitors in the same category. The lightweight design, crafted from PVC and metal, feels comfortable during prolonged use, reducing fatigue on long tasks. What I love most is the precision. Cuts are clean, smooth, and require minimal effort, something you'll appreciate if you're used to manual shears. Compared to similar tools, Dragro's electric shears simplify pruning, making it an excellent addition to any garden toolkit. Durability and power in one package make it a reliable choice for serious gardeners. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN Cordless Electric Pruner, our best runner-up. Cutting branches has never been easier. The CRAFTSMAN Cordless Electric Pruner offers cordless convenience with its 20-volt battery, letting you power through both wet and dry wood. With a 1:1 by 4-inch cut capacity, it handles thicker branches than many competing models. You'll appreciate the ability to make up to 900 cuts per charge, keeping downtime to a minimum during large projects. This pruner's efficiency stands out. It cuts once per second, helping you move quickly through pruning tasks. Plus, you'll use 20 times less effort compared to manual pruners, making it a perfect tool for extended jobs. Unlike other models that require tools to change blades, this one allows you to swap them out quickly and easily, keeping maintenance simple. I love how comfortable and powerful it feels in your hands, with none of the strain you get from traditional options. Whether you're tackling overgrown bushes or smaller branches, this tool gets the job done without a hassle. The 20V battery platform compatibility means you can easily swap batteries between CRAFTSMAN tools, making this pruner a versatile addition to your collection. Finally, introducing our best choice, DEWALT 20V Max Pruning Shears. Cutting with the DEWALT Max Pruning Shears feels effortless. Weighing just 3 pounds, this lightweight tool delivers up to 1,100 cuts per charge, ideal for long workdays without frequent recharging. Compared to manual pruners, this tool demands 16 times less effort, making it perfect for handling thick stems or shrubs. The 1x2-inch cutting capacity easily tackles tougher branches that other pruners struggle with. You'll love how the non-stick coated blades glide through plants with minimal resistance. Quick blade changes keep you moving fast, and the included change tool simplifies the process, saving time. The onboard LED light is especially handy in low-light conditions, letting you work on dimly lit garden areas without missing a beat. Competing models rarely offer this level of visibility in darker spots, giving DEWALT a significant advantage. What really stands out is how easy it is to use over extended periods without strain. That lightweight design combined with motorized assistance reduces hand fatigue, which is a game-changer compared to manual alternatives. For serious garden work, this pruner combines power, comfort, and convenience into one efficient tool.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. We hope that this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.